In general, DCA is a buying strategy that allows you to buy no matter where the price is on some frequent interval. If prices do come back quite a bit, you're buying at lower and lower prices, which helps improve your average cost basis.
All right, so we have the example shred subscription set up on the account over here. So we're going to grab the webhook because we're going to need it in a second. And we're going to go head over to our strategy bot and we're going to create an alert. Right, Peter? We set up the alert by clicking the alert at the top of the screen, like we've seen before. We're going to choose the strategy that we want. And here we're going to replace this with strategy order.alert message because inside of our strategy, we have a field here that's already set up to send a signal to buy for this ticker with this action. So if you want more information on that, there'll be a link to the blueprint episode of this DCA bot where we make it. But in there, we also discuss this idea that you can have a placeholder placed here as opposed to having to put the message directly. But if you did want to put the message directly, you could. You can just go ahead and grab this command, which exists within our documentation. So you can go to our documentation here. Actually, you could even find it on the webhook page. So if we go to the webhook that we created, and then we go take a look at it, you'll see on the right side here an example of the code that you can use. So I can go ahead and copy this and then paste that into my alert message field. So we're just going to set up here the DCA bot to just going to fire on the 10-second chart. So we're just going to fire every 10 seconds or every minute or so, just so you can see what it looks like. We're going to go ahead and create the alert. We're going to choose the strategy. Let's do it this way. And now that the alert is created, it'll go, oh, I forgot to add the webhook. I'm just doing that to simulate to you, Peter, how you'll make the same mistake.
Right.
You'll forget the webhook. So let's go back to the subscription, copy webhook, go ahead and paste that in. Save. And now, once we get the next alert, which should happen in 10 seconds or so, all right, it fires. And if we go take a look at this webhook, we'll be able to see under logs, oh, ticker doesn't exist because I'm in stocks, not futures.